Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to digitally sign a PDF in Adobe Acrobat. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so you want to go ahead and open up that PDF where you'd like to add that digitally signed signature. So I've got this demo form uploaded for this demo. So from here we need to go ahead and click onto e-sign, and then we can add signature or add initials. So go ahead and click onto that and then type your name here. I'm going to type my name here, click on apply. We've got the option to draw, so you can draw it out if you like, and then click apply. Also, we've got image. If you've got an image inside your computer that is your signature, go ahead and upload that, and then basically go ahead and click on apply. And then we've got that signature here, so then we can move that signature around like so and jot that in where you need to go ahead and add that signature inside your PDF.